love yourself first before you can love someone else or someone else can love you.
Uncle Travis is telling you, girl, something amazing. You understand?
Just tell them, I love myself.
Self-love is the ultimate. Gotta love yourself, and you gotta know that your beauty is more than skin deep. They're not listening. They're like, forget you. Anyways, good morning, guys. We are back. The last time we were on the vlog was when we went to get Mexican. If you're new here, welcome back to Making It with the Matthews. On our channel, well, I'm Melissa. This is Travis. That's Taylor. That's Hadia. And on our channel, you'll find a little bit of food, a little bit of travel, and a whole lot of fun. So if that's something that you're interested in, please go ahead and subscribe. All right, so we're going to have brunch at the Grits counter. Thank you. Going to check out all of the options that they have. Wait, it almost looked like it was floating.
Head. Yes, head.
Had a fake.
Ready?
Yeah.
How many times in the water?
Heads.
Tails.
Tails. 2 for 2?
Alright, mix it first and see how it tastes.
2 for 2?
Tip.
How was work this morning?
It's tail.
Or you didn't work?
No, I did.
Mommy, it's still not too sweet.
Is it?
Tails.
Yeah, they didn't even see me.
You can look at the color.
And Melissa, that's a flight. Only 2 utensils.
There's 2 meals.
Ooh, looks good. Oh, wow. Wow. That's a how. Wow.
Yo, it's like
Where would you
kicking.
get the jalapeno?
Kicking.
Oh.
You want to try the tomato one?
Tomatoes good. Try the tomato.
Oh, that's good. That's smoked tomatoes?
Tomatoes.
Okay, let's try this.
Yes.
Try this smoked tomato first.
Can you put your hand on me?
Wow.
But
That
like
piece is
grits. When I make
clean.
shrimp and grits, I'll make her some without the shrimp part on the side and everything else. She really
My
likes it.
first experience with grits, I was
Yo, this is the
disappointed.
best
I never
grits
ate
I've
it
ever
again
had.
for a long time. I was missing out.
Yo, this is the best grits I've
I
ever
was
had.
missing out. That person was
is one of America's oldest and most prominent plantations still existing. So here at Boone Hall, you'll see that there are 9 antebellum brick cabins that are still standing, built between 1790 and 1810. they are still intact, guys, and we were able to go explore and just to see what our ancestors had to endure during the slavery period.
Enjoy your day with us.
I like that. The girl has a happy voice.
She better.
How about she? Makes me feel happy. She had a down voice and it feel
Sad. Babe, don't this street look like...
Welcome to Bone Hall Plantation, where we take pride in presenting
These
Southern
trees could tell
hospitality,
stories.
education, history, and entertainment with a modern-day flair. We're
Like
grateful
these
that you've
trees,
chosen
like,
to
look
spend
how
some
big
time with
they
us
are,
on your
babe.
visit to the area.
Like, they're
You're listening
thousands
to
of
our
years old.
on-site radio network designed to give you some
Yeah.
brief information that will help you during your
Yeah.
visit. You'll enter
The whole
Bone Hall
thing
on
is
the
the
world-famous
plantation.
ad sheet that gives
This
times
is the
and an
slave
overview
quarters.
of
Oh,
the
and this is
different
what they're
tours
saying. They have a
available during your visit.
presentation going on.
If you have any questions, Bone Hall staff members will be
Yeah, they have like a Gullah
available to
culture
answer questions
presentation.
and give assistance.
Tell her
Restrooms are
yes, I know,
located
we
inside
can.
the hospitality center.
She's
and
talking
restrooms
about the
within
history.
facilities are located behind the
Wow,
doors
look at
next to the
Talking about the
this.
people that
inside the cotton top.
the cotton.
The
Yes,
Butterfly
she said
Cafe
yes.
has sandwiches,
These are the
salads,
slave
snacks,
quarters,
and
babe.
variety
But these are nicer
and
slave
delicious
quarters than what
ice cream
most
in a
slave
variety of
plantations
flavors.
had.
It's located across from the stables. Please make
Wow.
sure you allow time in your schedule to take in our critically acclaimed Black History in America exhibit.
I'm going back to the south. I'm going back, 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 back. When my roots ain't watered down. Growing like a baobab tree of life on fertile ground. My ancestor put me on game. On charm, on gold chains. With my old shoe energy. Drip all on me. I'm good at that shit, keep print. Hola, donuts, smell like such a natural innocent. Yeah, pure ice, 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 ice. Bust down, bloody, 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 bloody. On my wrist out.
Sweet, so I did get that right. Good job. See, everybody learned something today.
Yeah.
And another cool fact now, who invented the cotton gin? Who got the patent for the cotton gin?
What's his name?
Eli.
Whitney.
There you go. Good job. One kid a couple weeks ago said Eli Manning.
Wait, that's what I was thinking, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, that's right. Anyway, so good luck with that sheet, ladies.
Thank you.
Some hints later, let me know.
Thank you.
All right, so we're going over here for the 145, the historical dwelling.
Yeah, and now I've lost track of time. Is it what time? It's 1:43. 1:43.
We have 2 minutes.
Well, she just started her Gullah show at 1:15.
Oh, yeah.
There'll be another one at 3:15.
Yeah,
We're going to do that one.
Each one of those museums are really, each one of the cabins are like a little mini museum.
Okay.
There's artifacts in each one. The house is open all day, so y'all want to do the house tour? We
can catch it before we,
God will come out and personally greet you.
Really?
The oak trees behind the house, y'all, are amazing.
What's the oak tree? Oh, so these are all oak trees?
All oak trees.
Gotcha.
So the ones that look like they're dead are the pecan trees, but they're not dead. It's just
How
not-
old are they?
Well, these oak trees they started planting in 1743.
Wow.
So these oak trees are about 300 years old.
Wow.
Now, that big tree right there we know is over 400.
This big one.
Yeah.
Over
And so if you think about
400.
How many people in your
grandkids
family it would
inside
take to give that slave here in the Low Country? How did they live? What were their experiences like? Well, most of them would have been used as field hands. That's where the need for
So guys, I'm going into one of the cabins. This is considered one of the praise houses.
And was the one place the slaves were allowed to congregate and worship freely on Sundays without
First
the interference
bishop.
of the master or overseer. The major element of the slave
I'm gonna go find Travis and the kids. They went to go look at the other cabins. She said those didn't survive at all.
The authority practiced on individual plantations, slaves throughout the South had to live under a set of laws called the slave codes. The codes varied slightly from state to state.
That's where they would make their tea, Taylor. It's Nina and Adia.
Property, not
Yeah, look at the pots. These are actual pots, you know, guys.
testify in court, make contracts, leave the plantation without
Another
permission.
bedroom.
strike a white.
Oh yeah, there is another bedroom up there.
Storage, whatever.
And they have stairs. There's a sleeping hall.
Wow. Guys, look, another thing on your scavenger hunt. The commode, the chimney. That's what they pee in. It is on there. What's beneath the floorboards?
All floorboards are gone, Mommy.
Just in recent decades have researchers begun using archaeology to study the
Oh.
lives of
They
slaves.
had diaries and
Guys, they actually have a history or a list of all of the ships that docked in Charleston, when they docked, and where they came from. You saw Ghana? Gold Coast, okay. Wow. Gold Coast. Gold Coast. Gold Coast. Biafra. Gulf of Guinea. Wow. Total slaves, 175. Total slaves disembarked. Wow. So that shows who died. Look, this one lost more than half, 112 to 60.
this one lost
And that one came from Ghana.
258.
That's how many got here.
Something that one of them write about in a letter. This shall always say. If a man ain't get married, that good. It's because there's so much loose life all around. Every man ought to have your own wife, and every woman ought to have your own husband. The man will marry ought to satisfy. How long y'all been together?
Don't ask us that question.
80 years.
He always remembers.
14? I got 14. I got a 14-year-old too. Y'all want that?
We have a 10-year-old.
And I got 11. I got 11 and a 14 and a 19. The 19 and 11 can stay, but 14 got a woo. Verse 1 through 5. Y'all ready? This is Jamaican people, so this y'all understand everything I'm saying. This Matthew 1. They're ready, y'all. They're ready. I'm gonna do it again. Wait a minute. I know you're ready. Wait a minute. Mr. and Mrs. Matthew 1.